Yeah, guys, thank you so much. It's Maka Mugenda right now. I'm here in Congo Beach. Yeah, I'm here in Diani, yeah, guys. So today I just want to give you some Nyatiti vibes. As you know, every day I have a Nyatiti vibe. Kila siku lazima tukuwe na Nyatiti vibe, hata kama si Nyatiti vibe, but I'll just give you some sunset section. But right now there's no sunset, so there's no sun, so I just give you some Nyatiti vibe. I know you will just watch with Maka Mugenda. This is how Congo is, bro. Keep on watching. Yeah, keep on watching. Asante sana. Yeah, keep on watching. Asante sana. It's Maka Mugenda. I'm just trying to do some preparation because it's very, it's not very nice. Today I don't know what's up today. Yeah, so this is how Congo is, bro. Asante sana. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, wachana na mambo ya sunset. Yeah, today I changed the title bwana, sababu hakuna jua, so how can I do it and hakuna jua? Siwezi nikawadanganya ati mara nini. Yeah, this is how it is, bro. Very well. Wait up and mama your best. Wait up and mama your best. They call me. Wait up and mama your best. Ache okinyi. Wait up and mama your best. Ache okinyi. Wait up and mama your best. Wait up and papa roll yellow. Wait up and mama roll yellow. Mama your best. pesa kandalo body aje okini aje mokongo na manyo wasunge mayuko jamna Tojo mapenja lal kanye alale panga manyo pesa agombo doko bodi to mama penyo lal kanye alale panga lanyo pesa yeah Woito bet mama nyor yeko Woito bet mama nyor yeko Mama nyor pesa Kandalo bodi To mama peyo lal kanye Alale panga manyo pesa Alale panga manyo mwandu Agombo dwoko poda lo bodi Aduogo na do pokalo somwandu Aduogo na do poka nyogare Aduogo na do poka nyogare Aduogo na do pokalo somwandu changoma Aduogo na do pokalo sopesa Woito ber mama nyorieko Mama nyo pesa Kandalo bodi Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Aduogo na to poka ng'iyo gare Aduogo na to poka nyuang'o mwandu Dogi makon ye mama Dogi makon ye mama Niombe mama niombe Wanao yuko salama Woito bet mama nyorieko Woito bet mama nyorieko Mama nyo pesa Kandalo bodi yeah. Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Aduogo na to poka ng'iyo gare jangopa Aduogo na to poka ng'iyo gare Aduogo na to poka loso mwandu Woito bet mama nyo pesa yeah. Woito bet mama nyo rieko Mama nyo pesa Alale panga mwanyo mwandu Alale panga mwanyo mwandu Alale panga mwanyo mwandu Alale panga mwanyo mwandu Wololo Maka Ni woito bet madwaro mwandu Ni woito bet madwaro mwandu Ni woito bet madwaro mwandu yeah. Alale panga manyo pesa Alale panga manyo pesa Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Agombo dwoko poda luor bodi Nijo mapenja lal kae Alale panga manyo pesa Alale panga manyo pesa Makai Woito bet mama nyo pesa Woito bet mama nyo pesa Niya bongo baba Anagwayo nyumbe mama nyoka. Yeah. Agambo zero the bola guys, thank you. Keep on watching. Let me talk to some guys here. Just 1 minute. I asked them for subscription. Just 1 minute. Hello. Just 1 minute. My name is Maka. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Mugenda. Yeah, this is how we do it. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. I told you this is a Nyatiti vibe. It's just a vibe. Yeah, I'm just on the beach, so I just give you some vibes. Yeah, the song just I want to play for you is called Ndalokalo. Ndalokalo inamaanisha siku zinaenda. Yeah, by the way, there's a guy asked me, Maka Mugenda, why mbona hujaoa bwana? Nikamwambia uchumi ndio inafanya bado sijaoa bro. Yeah, bado najaribu nioe lakini still naogopa. Yeah, keep on watching. It's called Nyatiti. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. How are you? There's a lady here. It's very, 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 very. I just say hi to him. Umejua wanauliza mbona na simamisha. The instrument is called Nyatiti.
Nyatiti. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's nice. Continue playing.
Okay.
I just mean to distract you. Thank you. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. It's called Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it.
Aparo yaganya panyo nyanga panyo. Aparo yaganya panyo nyanga kituma. Yeah, jump boom. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it. It's called Nyatiti vibes. That's the view of River Congo. Omwenya baba. Aduogo ginduma he. Aduogo ginduma. Aduogo ginduma. Gini tuogi. Odindo nenogoyo. Olo nenogoyo. Ora nenogoyo. Ojua nenogoyo. Yeah. Ogwang nenogoyo. Ogwang nenogoyo. Amolo nenogoyo. Odindo nenogoyo. Odugoyo. Yeah. Ndalo kalo dio chenga luoro pese gomba baba. Ndalo kalo dio chenga luoro pese yomba. Aparo yenga nyanga.
No, I prefer to wake up home to the beach. The shoes.
Baba. Yeah. Aparo yenga. Anongo gibumba. Yeah, jump. Thank you. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it every day, bro. This is a session called Nyatiti Vibe session, bro. So you know today I did not give you the sunset session because you know I don't see there's no sun. Yeah, kuna so for why ni wadanganye there's a sunset? Pana, today is just a boat ride. Yeah, so let me sing for this beautiful lady and I don't know is a boyfriend. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to give them one song, but there's a love song. There's a called Karaber. Karaber means something good, something nice in my language. You know, I'm from Lower Europe. I'm from Kisumu City. Yeah, Jaka Baba.
Nyoka?
From Kisumu.
Nyoka Baba.
Jaka Baba.
Jaka Baba.
Yeah,
Jaka Baba means.
Jaka Baba. That means watu wa baba. Jaka Baba. Yeah, what's your name, bro?
Me.
Yeah, unaitwa nani? Star na nani?
Carol.
Ask me directly, man.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
Caroline.
Caroline.
B. Ah, the red and black.
Yeah, it's a wire.
It's like an electric.
Yeah, I think so.
Mama. It's just error. Okay, I start now.
Good. Let's do.
Why do you say that, man? Me too.
I am decided.
I'm in a biscuit. Not scary. Wait, just open the online.
I am decided, Maka.
Where?
To sing to
Come
Caro.
to a low-key, please.
To sing to Caro and Star.
Caroline.
Caroline.
Ah.
Caroline. Yeah. You go like Caroline. First time I meet the star, I see Caroline. Yeah. Jump.
Oh, stop. Stop.
My brother, you are
Nyata.
Whoa.
Come.
my brother,
Oh,
you are
back.
lucky. My brother, you are lucky. My brother, you are lucky. My brother,
Yeah.
brother,
Don't worry about it.
you are lucky. Yeah, jump to Let me tell you, stop, my brother, you are lucky. You are
Thank
lucky.
you.
Yeah, so I'm such a beautiful lady. Yeah, yeah. Sura inaweza, sura inaweza. The lady more beauty, more beauty, more beauty. Jump my sister, you look like star. Yo. Baba, 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 yeah, baba, yeah, baba.
Next dance. Wow.
We shall meet again, oh no, no, again and again, and again. Baba, yeah, jump on. Yeah, yeah, gari, wololo, gari, wololo, yeah, wastani, wololo, yeah, wastani, wololo,
Yeah.
yeah, gari, wololo.
No, you're crazy. Yeah, you're not crazy.
I am excited, Maka, to see to star. Yeah, Ningari, Wololo, Karo, Karo, Jambo. I gonna sing to star.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Wakara to Morai. Yeah, Wakara to Morai. Wololo to Morai. Wololo to Morai. Yeah. I gonna sing to star. Wololo, wololo star.
Hi.
Star boy.
Whoa.
My brother star. Yeah, you are lucky. Yeah, you are lucky. Yeah, you are lucky. To have Thank you so much. Thank you, asante sana star. Asante. Yeah, guys, this is how we do it every day. We call it Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, Nyatiti vibe.
Make your day, bro.
Thank you so much. Asante sana. Yeah, so this is how we do Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, we have to come up with something new, something very delicious, something very nice. Yeah, this is a Nyatiti vibe, guys. And right now, I'll just face the other direction so that you can see how they are coming, guys. Yeah, yeah. So I'll so that you can see where I am right now and what is going on. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm here in Diani, bro. I'm here in Diani. Yeah, keep on watching Maka Mugenda. So that's how we do it every day. Yeah, there's some two guys there from boat ride. Unawaona wametoka boat ride, by the way. Yeah, because today there was no sun, so that one we call is a boat ride. Yeah, So keep on watching by the way guys. Yeah, asante sana. You see them wametoka, I don't know, they're from Nairobi. Yeah. So let me perform for you. Let me give you Nyatiti vibe as we do it every day. Hello, how are you? My name is Maka Mugenda. I have a YouTube channel. In case mtakuwa online, follow, subscribe, watch. Please.
All the best.
Thank you. Ndanga gore gore, ndanga gore gore, oeka gore, oeka gore, ndanga gore gore, ndanga gore gore. I wake up in the morning, Maka. I wake up in the morning, Maka. I say I to my Lord, 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 I say I to my creature. Yeah. Awera mati ukauda mara olungu jenge binyo bendo hiya yeah binyo bendo hiya yeah jambu imano ngapanyo jimanyo pesa ograni nwango dale imano ngapanyo pesa pesa ono pesa ono Mayangolo, apare nyako, yeah, apara dampi, jabernya oranga, jabernya hawinga, yeah, campur. Erawak kalere nyako dampi mama, dewa gede lamo, boa gede gino. Minanjeli nyapijo lemo jacheno kwano muka ujunye yeah muka ujunye champo wololo tafi mamahe wololo tafi mamahe porete Yeah, the song is called for Daf Linda. Yeah, Dublina. Yeah, the song I composed for the Dublin. There's a lady called Dublin. Yeah, it was very, very nice lady. Oh, beautiful, more beautiful. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. Asante sana. Ni aje? Naitwa Maka Mugenda. I do have a fusion, have a YouTube channel. So you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch Maka Mugenda. Niko live.
Tap the screen.
Ah, tap.
Tap the screen.
So this is how we do it every day, guys. Just keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it. Yeah, so it's called Maka Mugenda. Just playing a Nyatiti vibe. This Nyatiti vibes. Hello guys, how are you? Hello.
This instrument is called what?
The instrument is called Nyatiti.
Yeah.
Nyatiti is an instrument from western part of Kenya.
Yeah.
I'm from Luo community.
Nice.
Yeah, let me give you a vibe, just one vibe.
Okay.
I know you will like it. It's called Karaber. Karaber means something good. What's your name, bro?
Are you on TikTok?
No, I'm on YouTube.
My name is Peace.
And who? Peace and who?
Peace and Akini.
Akinyi nadi? Kiti nadi? Hey, hey, let me sing to my sister, Mera. I have decided, oh my God, to sing to peace. Yeah. I have decided, oh my God, to sing to my brother. Peace, my brother. Yeah. First time I meet to my brother. Peace, Baba. Yeah. I see Akinyi Mama. Yeah. Akinyi more beauty now. Akinyi more beauty. Ya dun this forever. Yeah. Akinyi on this forever. Ya wasura amepewa. Whoa. Akinyi Mama. Let me tell you, peace, my brother. My brother, you are lucky to have Akinyi Mama. To have Nyajaluo. To have Akinyi Mama. Remember, Akinyi is a Luo, but Luo ladies, they normally created. Akinyi was not born. Pololo, Akinyi Mama. Yeah, my brother, you are lucky. Jambo. Akinyi on this forever. Akinyi more beauty. I wish I see her mother, Akinyi. Akinyi pololo. Like mother, like daughter. Yeah, like Akinyi, like daughter, like shampoo. Caramel, yawa Akinyi caramel, yawa Nyani caramel, yawa Pisu caramel, yawa Pisu caramel. Let me tell you, peace, my brother. If you want want to control economy, just stay with Akinyi. Akinyi more beauty, bololo without makeup. Ah, jambo, Sorani atao, Sorani atao, Yaberon de Sorebe. Akinyi was not born, my brother. Remember that. Peace. Akinyi was created on Monday when God is alive. Jambo, Akinyi, Akinyi Hawa, Akinyi Mama. I wish I sing for Akinyi and peace until tomorrow. Values of time. Yeah. I wish this by the time you prepare your wedding. Just invite Maka Mugenda. I'll give you my show. Yeah, this only a sample. Yeah, ni Akinyi Nyajalu. Iluongola Kinyi jaber lady mano nyako mane Nyasaye chwe chiemo ok tich go Kinyi ka Nyasaye wang'ene. Jambo. Ovogre gi
Yeah, give it clap, give it clap. Give it
Ho,
clap.
ho, 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 ho,
Thank
ho.
you so much.
Tell me now.
Pick up, pick up.
What do you call that now?
That one.
Freestyle.
That's a freestyle.
And now, how many people you have watching you on the video now?
Let me see.